So YouTube versus TikTok in 2026, which platform pays better? I know this is a very interesting topic that a lot of people want to know because most people are out there looking for the easy money. Let's talk about this. A creator gets 10 million views on TikTok, another gets 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. But somehow, they don't make the same money. In fact, in 2026, creators are discovering something surprising. The platform with more views doesn't always pay more money. Some creators swear TikTok pays better, others say YouTube is still the king. So, what's the truth? Which platform actually pays the creator better in 2026? YouTube or TikTok? Let's break it down, guys. My name is Ale Vashiondu and we talk everything about YouTube growth. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are comparing YouTube and TikTok in 2026, including ad revenue, creator funds, sponsorships, audience quality, and which platform is actually better for making money long term. Let's get into it. TikTok usually pays more per short form view. Let's start with the biggest surprise. In 2026, TikTok's creator reward program often pays more per 1,000 views than YouTube Shorts. Reports from creator economy sites estimate TikTok rewards RPMs around $0.4 to $1 in some regions, while YouTube Shorts often range much lower depending on geography and ad inventory. That sounds crazy because YouTube has a bigger reputation for monetization. But here is why this happens. TikTok redesigned its creator payment system to encourage longer videos, stronger retention, and higher engagement. Meanwhile, YouTube Shorts still uses a pooled revenue sharing model, which generally creates lower payout per view for short form content. So, purely for short term form RPM, TikTok can sometimes win. But YouTube has a much bigger ecosystem. That's what another person may ask or may say. Here is where YouTube pulls ahead hard. YouTube is not just shorts, it's long form videos, podcasts, memberships, live streams, affiliate links, super chats, and traditional AdSense revenue. Long form YouTube videos still massively outperform short form content in monetization potential, with many creators earning significantly higher RPM than TikTok creators overall. That's why many creators use shorts mainly for discovery, then convert viewers into long form audiences, loyal subscribers, or paying communities. TikTok is incredible for attention. TikTok redesigned its creator payment system to encourage longer videos, stronger retention, and higher engagement. But YouTube is stronger for building a full creator business. Another thing is TikTok grows faster. Do you agree with that? Let me know in the comment section. When it comes to virality, TikTok is still insanely powerful. Its algorithm is extremely aggressive at pushing new creators. That's why completely unknown accounts can suddenly explode overnight. TikTok's fast-moving For You page, in quotes, creates huge visibility opportunities quickly. Meanwhile, YouTube growth often feels slower and more gradual, especially for long-form creators. But there's a trade-off. TikTok audiences tend to move fast. Videos blow up quickly, then disappear quickly too. YouTube content often has longer shelf life. Some YouTube videos continue getting views for months, years, or even decades. That changes the long-term earning potential dramatically. So what about sponsorship? Because this changes everything. There is something many beginner creators misunderstand. Ad revenue is often not the main income source anymore. Brand deals usually become much bigger. And in 2026, advertisers increasingly value audience trust, long watch time, and deeper engagement. That's one reason many brands still prefer YouTube creators for larger campaigns and storytelling partnerships. So you want to consider this because YouTube viewers often spend more time watching and build stronger creator relationships. TikTok creators can still make huge money through sponsorships, especially in fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and trends. But YouTube often creates stronger long-term audience loyalty, and loyalty increases brand value. Now, the question is, which platform is safer for a long term? Another important factor, platform stability. YouTube has been around for over over 20 years, and TikTok is newer and still faces regulatory uncertainty in some countries. I remember the last time it was between USA. I don't know how they solved it, but that matters because creators want predictable income. YouTube also offers more ways to survive algorithm changes through search traffic, recommended videos, evergreen content, and diversified monetization. TikTok is amazing for momentum, but YouTube often feels more stable long term. Another thing is the smartest creators use both. Honestly, the smartest creators in 2026 aren't choosing one platform. They are using both strategically. A lot of creators now use TikTok for fast exposure and YouTube for deeper monetization and audience building. TikTok becomes the attention machine. YouTube becomes the business machine. I'll come again. TikTok becomes the attention machine and YouTube becomes the business machine. That combination is becoming one of the most powerful creator strategies right now. And before we round up this video, I'll discuss my final verdict on this. Which platform do you think pays better in 2026? Here's my honest answer about this. TikTok may pay more short-form virality, especially per view in some creator programs, but YouTube usually wins long-term because of stronger monetization systems, evergreen content, long-form revenue, audience loyalty, and bigger business opportunities. So, the better platform depends on your goal: fast growth or long-term creator income. What do you think about this? If you had to choose only one platform in 2026, would you pick YouTube or TikTok? Or even to go? Let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't get to miss my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching.